tawanan sa akong bata. Gustuhan siya sa adobo. Sa Noel. Oh my. Be vlogging today just for a little bit and then show you guys what is happening today. Good morning, everybody. We're gonna be heading off to the fair today, and this fair is very humble. You guys will see. Jake's just rinsing the car off right now. Kids are in the back. They've had an absolute meltdown. They've had a very big meltdown today in the morning, and I obviously did not appreciate that. Not at all. By the way, if you guys see, you know, the horizon being all fogged up and smoky, that's because there's multiple fires happening all around Colorado, not just, you know, in the outskirts of Colorado. See, this is what Jeremy likes. He likes Funyuns. He likes animal crackers. He likes this. Oh, does Noel. And Noel as well. And yeah, it's one of my favorites. I got them orange juice as well. It's right here. But I got this for me and Jake to share.
Looks like I put a little too much air in this one. Hold on.
Middle Park Fair Rodeo, July. Look who it is. Nice fit, sis. Nice fit.
Thanks. No. Do you think I could fit in this?
Hi, partner. Okay, yeah, explain what's happening here. These are not chickens.
I mean, whatever.
These are beautiful turkeys. Couple. They are huge. Look at you. Hi. Do you guys want steak? Look like a good chicken. Well, that was a very interesting situation. I want to save all those chickens. Oh, she found a rock. Yeah. Found a rock. We should have.
Look this way.
Oh, look at this dog.
No, look, Jane.
Yes. Oh, that's a good one. Shelby, get in it. Oh. Hi. Boy, you make a lot of noise, dude. What's going on?
What are you doing?
Oh my gosh.
What are you doing?
That one is extremely friendly.
Jane. What are you doing?
How much are you? Oh yeah, Susie here, right?
You did. I had to tell them to eat some plants. So they were meat goats, but you don't want to have a butcher.
Oh, I see.
And goats too.
Well, look. He's okay. Here,
We pet it. Hi.
pet him. You want to pet him? You want to pet him? You might try to eat your shirt or something. Good. Here, Noel.
Oh my goodness, look at your ears.
You're okay, you handsome fella. You handsome fella. I also want to take the six.
I have two on mine.
sellers. And we also
Down to
Nice quilts. Quilt. The pottery of chokes. But that's okay. Oh, that's cool.
There's another one at a bullet.
I feel like it's like less this year. Whose is this?
Name is overall Heather Corbin.
That's pretty clever.
About gently down the street.
Let's.
Oh wow, look at that
Oh
one.
wait, I wanna.
How old is this girl? What unit is she in? 4-H. That's cute. Blue ribbon. She got
That is
unit,
pretty nice,
unit champion. Let's see how old she is. See, you gotta do record book. Look.
Hey everyone. We stopped by at Debbie's Burger Place, and while they don't sell any more donuts, so that sucks. I quite frankly like their donuts, but we were told, yeah, no, they don't sell that anymore. And so there is a food truck. I don't know where they're at, but they sell Lipa donuts or whatever. So hopefully one of these days I can catch them and see what's all the hype. They got us some burgers right here. Yum. Very greasy indeed. Looks good. This is the farmhouse burger. Got some fries right there. I'm gonna save some for the kids. I'm not gonna really eat that much. My mouth is still hurting. I still have thrush right in between my lip. So it hasn't been a fun time eating. And we did just see a house for showing. It was really far. Can't show you guys it. Oh, can't show you guys the address exactly, but it was a log cabin house. I'd eat.
How much is it?
Damn, that's a whole lot of onion. I mean, did they get blessed with onions or something? But damn, why did they give me so much fucking onion?
Don't you like onions?
Yeah, not when I'm like getting suffocated. Holy moly. Well, I guess you can get donuts from City Market. They were kind of expensive, but it was still good.
Though.
Last bite, I was hungry. For a weekday, would you like some?